Steve Jobs left us this most amazing little device here, okay? We are more connected than we've ever been. But doesn't it feel like we're more disconnected than we've ever been? In this session, we're gonna spend time taking a deep dive into 10 core relational needs that we all have as human beings. Whether it's your husband and wife at home, whether it's your kids at home, whether it's your friends at work, or the students in your classroom, everybody has these needs. And I know how hard you all work. All right, you're there, like you said, in the morning at 6:45. You're at the basketball game at 9 o'clock at night. You're there on the weekends opening up the gym for a dance or whatever it might look like. I'm sure there are times in your life and during your career that you felt underappreciated. I'd like you each to kind of show some appreciation, and you all could kind of like meet that need for each other.
What this workshop provides is that roadmap. We take a deep look at what relational needs are, and we can work to recalibrate them. That's when really amazing things start to happen on our campuses.
And sometimes we just need a little encouragement. We need people cheering us towards our goal. We need people in our lives instilling hope in us. These are the building blocks to what makes a healthy relationship. So let's keep working and get out there and build campus relationships, and good things will come. So thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you.